Okay, this is part two.
Yeah.
This is just me starting to finish up mine.
Three, yeah, quick.
3 more, Sam. I'm catching up.
17:30,
Okay, no. Okay, there's just a wall. Okay, there's just a wall. Okay, who's going to die? Is this just this freaking corner area? Wait, no. Oh. COD logic. Oh, computer room. That's right. Computer room is where I want to go. I hate this motherfucker. So, like, does your flashlight actually, like, go out?
It gets dimmer and dimmer.
But it doesn't go out. What the fuck? Still don't hear it. Xeno intelligence bureau. The fucker. Fuck. Shit, it's right behind me, isn't it? Not the big guy, I mean the tape. No, you get the fuck out of here. You fuck yourself in the anus.
Or not.
What? Oh. Okay, I could just do this.
That don't work.
What do you mean? No. I wasn't looking at him. I'm not looking at you. I am not looking at you. Why does that guy have to be right freaking there? Seriously, that's kind of a douche, you know? Is he gone? Okay, he's gone. That slut moved. No. Where the fuck is it? Bloody fuck. Okay, he's not there. No. 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 Yes, I got it. I got it. I'm getting out of here. Now. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No. Music, shut up.
Me?
No, I said music.
I know, I listen to music.
No, not your music. Talking about freaking scary ass music. Shit, took me only 4 minutes in there. God freaking damn. What happened here? Did somebody fuck themselves up? Okay, I could hear one. Nope. Don't tell me it's...
I actually kind of want to do this challenge.
What?
A 10-hour challenge.
What's this challenge?
This is what I'm watching.
Oh my god. So what? Hello, Mr. Green Pillar. You look mighty fine today. You look like a gigantic green penis.
Yum.
Yum. What? There's that other fucking shit. Where is this fuck? Oh shit, I'm almost out of time too. What? That's 7 minutes, 30 seconds. I have about a minute left. I probably already lost. I'm just gonna run willy-nilly. Yeah, coughing. Well, come on, Mr. Monster. I want to run into you headlong. Hi. Yay. Okay. Bye, everyone. See y'all next time. Do. Okay.
Okay, just let's watch this.
Okay.
Are you paused it?
Like, one.
Is it paused?
No.
It's not.
Nope.
What? That's pretty much your distance. You press anything. And it'll skip it.
I just go back and I go into a circle.
Grounded. I think you can skip this.
I know you can.
Where it's just like
fuck you. Oh, got it. They got him. And I died.
Well, that's why Noise online.
Next time we are going to be online.
Together.
Yep. Together forever, my friends. Oh my.
I'm gonna show you this video.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye.